Let's ready for your practical class. Dear students, as we have discussed about icons. What are icons? I told you whenever you will turn on your computer or your laptops, on the first screen, this screen is called desktop. Means this is your first screen. It is called desktop. Clear? But these small pictures or these small boxes are called icons. Like see here, this one and this one. So on the screen, on the windows, there are small icons and these are labeled. Labeled means the name is written on this. So these are called icons. See, if I am pointing this is also an icon. It is also an icon. So all these are icons on the computer screen. Next, we have discussed about taskbar. Taskbar is the horizontal line. See, this one. This is your horizontal line on the screen. Means this line. This horizontal line is known as taskbar. What is this? Taskbar. And in the left side, where this button. It is start button. And if I want to start something, I will click on it. If I will click on it, there will many options will come. And on the taskbar, you can see many running apps. Just have an example. If I will open this. Now there are only 3 icons. 1, 2 and 3. And if I am using one more thing, then what will happen? Now one more icon is also added here. This icon. So the running apps we can see here easily. And right side. This is your right side. This is your notification area. As we have discussed, there so many icons we can see. It includes menu or speakers or battery. Here is the battery. Here also speakers and Bluetooth. And I told you clock also. Here you can see the clock, language. So this is known as notification area. Next is how we will select and deselect an item. If I want to select this item, I just have to click on it. See, this app or this icon you can see it is highlighted. But if I want to again deselect it, you have to click away from it. See, you observe the difference? Yes. And if I want to select this, click on it, it is selected. But if I want to deselect it, you can see the pointer on the screen. I will click anywhere away from it. That icon or that item has been deselected. If you are having PCs or if you are having laptops at home, just do practice for selection and deselection and know about taskbar and icons. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.